In this video, we're going to start section 1.3. We're going to go over adding and subtracting polynomial expressions, okay? So when you're adding or subtracting polynomials, you're going to combine like terms, okay? If you're adding polynomials, we're just going to eliminate the parentheses. The parentheses aren't even necessary here. So we're going to get rid of those parentheses, and then we're going to combine like terms. X cubed and x cubed can be added. X squared terms can be combined. X terms can be combined, and then the constant will be last, okay? Our answers are going to be written in standard form, which just means our variables are going to go in descending order. We're going to start with the largest exponent and then go down from there, okay? So, adding polynomial expressions. So I'd rewrite this without the parentheses. Notice I've color-coded based on the exponent. So x cubed in red, x squared in purple, and so on, okay? Again, when we're adding polynomial expressions, we're just going to eliminate the parentheses. It would be like distributing a positive 1. So the signs inside of this trinomial here are not going to change, okay? So in red, I've got the x cubes. I'm going to combine those. In purple, I've got the x squares. In green, I've got the x's. And then in blue, I have the constant, okay? So 1x cubed and 1x cubed is going to combine to be 2x cubed. All right, the x squared is combined to be negative 1x squared. The x's combined to be negative 5x, and then there's only this one constant term, so we bring it down. All right, so the sum of these two polynomials is 2x cubed minus x squared minus 5x plus 4. Okay, so eliminate parentheses and combine like terms. All right, if you are subtracting, okay, we've got the same two polynomials here. If we're going to subtract those, it's kind of like distributing a negative 1, okay? So negative 1 times x cubed would be negative x cubed. Negative 1 times 5x squared is negative 5x squared. Negative 1 times negative 7x is positive 7x, okay? So we've got our first polynomial, which doesn't change, and then we're going to add the opposite of this, okay? Or we're going to distribute a negative 1. So again, we get a negative x cubed, a negative 5x squared, and a negative 7x. Notice all three of these signs changed from to their opposite, let's say it like that, okay? So now then we're going to combine like terms. Well, when I combine the x cubes, they're opposites, so those cancel out. So those are gone. So now I'm going to combine the x squareds, the x's, and the constants, and I get negative 11x squared plus 9x plus 4, okay? So adding, subtracting polynomial expressions, if we're adding, just eliminate parentheses. If we're subtracting, we're basically adding the opposite, okay? Or we're distributing a negative 1 through that last polynomial, okay? And then we combine like terms. That's it.